First, connect the OROLIN Intra adapter that fits to your handpiece, contra-angle or turbine with the OROLIN Intra bottle. Next, fully insert the OROLIN Intra adapter into the connection end of your handpiece or turbine. Hold the OROLIN Intra bottle upside down in one hand and your instrument in the other hand. Activate the trigger until the solution's coming out from the instrument head. Wait for 60 seconds to allow the disinfectant to act. Hold the OROLIN Intra bottle upright and cover the instrument with a single-use cloth. Once again, activate the trigger several times to flush out the solution and to blow dry the instrument. Use the single-use cloth for the outer disinfection of your handpiece or turbine. That's it, you're done. Your instruments are now clean, disinfected, lubricated and ready to use without further processing such as sterilisation.